All of this food here. What am I gonna do with myself? Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to Travel and Food South America. I'm your host, Canela Mott, and in today's video, I've been thinking about this one for a long time, and today's video is going to be special. I'm going to go to 5 different places, and I'm going to get 5 different lunches, and you guys get to check it out. Let's go to the first one here. Okay, gracias. Alright, you guys, this is stop number 2, and I got 2 almuerzos from here because the one lady that I was going to go to, she was closed for the day, and it's Sunday, so a lot of places are closed. But I got seco de chivo, which is dried goat, and then I got pollo broster, which is fried chicken. So we're going to wrap it up here and go to the next spot. Alright, you guys, so check it out. I'm at Don Lucho here. They don't have almuerzos, but they do dishes off the menu. So I got some fried fish from here, and we got one more stop, and then we're gonna take it all home, and then you guys get to see me try it out. Yeah, so we got the soup. We're going. I got a ceviche from here. Okay, so we got 5 different dishes, and I spent less than $20 on all of this. So we're gonna head back to the house, and then we're gonna try all these dishes for you. Well, I'm gonna try them all. At any point in this video, I hope you give me the thumbs up. Make sure you share this video with someone you know, and please leave me some comments down below, and I always get back to you on my comments. Oh yeah. I've been so excited to bring this video to you guys. We've got some fried fish with lentils and rice. We've got some seco de chivo, which is, seco means dry, but it's still like a stew, and that's goat meat. And then we've got some fried chicken, and of course these ceviches here, and these are ceviches mixto. And as a matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna go in on first. Let's get some of these tostados, this fried corn here. If you add them to your soup, it works perfectly. It gives that toasty flavor that I just love. Let's just give them a try. Ooh, let's get some of that. Oh, that's some albacore tuna and some shrimp. You hear me crunch on that tostado? It actually brings like a starchy flavor in the mouth on that one. Let's get some lime zest. Set that down. Let's dig back in here, see what else is in here. Lots of shrimp, that's awesome. Let's get a piece of that octopus. Yeah, go with a big bite on this. Man, that's good. The lemon, the lime, it just brightens up that dish and gives it that acidity quality that I'm used to in ceviche. Man, that's a killer ceviche. Let's go on to the next one. Alright, this one came with the cheap lays. They're cut thin like chips, fried, and then salted. And all it is plantain. It's like it almost looks like a banana chip. But these are savory. They're not sweet like bananas. Alright. So, let's go with this mussel first. Let's get that out of there. Oh yeah. Put this to the side. Ooh, there's a piece of the octopus there. Let's load this one up. Ooh, check this out. So we got the mussel on there, got some octopus, got some tuna. Even the broth tastes different on this one. I do taste a little bit of ketchup in there. Oh, but it's super good. Let's throw some popcorn in there. A couple tostados. This tostado is a little bit different. The size of the kernels are a lot different than this one. It's like 2 different kinds of corn. Okay, let's put them back in there. I want to try it. They tastes different. Ooh, let's put some more of those in there. Alright, so we got some popcorn in here and some more Tostados. This one has lots of octopus. Oh yeah. Check that out. Nice pieces of octopus. Big bite. It's nice and tender. It's not like rubbery or anything like that. They cooked it perfectly. Oh, let me squeeze some lime in. I'm telling you guys, you have to put the lime in. It's a must. Oh, yeah. So delicious. There's a clam I was telling you guys about. That's in there. Let me take one more bite of this. Oh, yeah. The tuna is just so flavorful in there. There's lots of contrast and textures also. So nothing's rubbery. But that piece of tuna is almost like chewing on a piece of steak. It's so good. But a tender steak. One more bite. Oh yeah. That one's delicious. Alright, let's move on. Alright, so next we're gonna go in on this corvina, which is the whole fried fish. Oh man. Oh, I'm gonna just have to go in on this bite first. That's got some flavor to it. The batter is no longer crunchy because we walked home with it. So it kind of steamed inside the tin foil there. But even the meat has a lot of flavor. Almost like it was marinated. This is super delicious. Not a lot of fishy flavor at all. It just tastes like a clean piece of fish. Very fresh. Let's get one more bite. Okay, and you know you gotta throw the citrus on, especially on fish. Man, that's good. Yeah, baby. Okay, alright, let's take a bite of this. That just kicked it up a notch. Let's try these lentils here. Oh, I've been having my eye on these. Mix it with a little bit of rice. Give this a shot. Oh, those are delicious. They're not mushy or anything like that. Still have a little al dente cook to them. Woo! Flavor though. But that's delicious. We're gonna move on to the next dish. We got the seco de chivo. Just this piece right here. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, look at that. It looks nice and juicy. This is a big bite. Hopefully it's nice and tender. Even with that big old bite, it's nice and tender. It's stewed down so much. Oh my goodness. It's got some flavor. More of these. Oh yeah. Doesn't have a gamey flavor or anything like that. It's super delicious. Wow. I'm surprised. Usually when you have goat, it's kind of tough. But not this. There's hella starches in here. There's rice, potatoes, and noodles. Let's try these noodles. Yeah. Not a whole lot of flavor in there. Alright, let's try this salad. Look at that. Got some potatoes on there. There's some cauliflower. There's some cilantro. There's a green bean. Oh yeah. Wow, that's surprisingly good. It's got lots of flavor to it. The potatoes aren't like dry and starchy. It was nice and creamy. Oh man. Let's get another shot. There's some lettuce in here too. Alright, time to move on. Last dish. Last one, certainly not these. Alright, so this is the last dish, and it's basically just fried chicken. Oh, let's just cut it together. Yeah, you see that chicken? It's got a crispy outside. Let's get another piece of it there. They flavored the chicken nice. It's not over salted. It's got hella flavor. They must have put something in the batter. Let's get a shot of these beans. Oh yeah, some beans and rice. Can't go wrong with beans and rice. Alright, got these giant french fries. Nice and soft. They're not real crunchy or anything like that. Those are good. It's the same salad with the cauliflower, the peas, and the green beans. The dressing just tastes like it's like a mayo base, which a lot of dressings are here. Man, all of this food here. What am I gonna do with myself? You guys won't believe what I paid for this. All of these dishes combined was under $20. It was $17.50. Most of these meals are under $4. So the chicken was $3. The seco de chivo was $2.95. The corvina here, the fried fish, that was $3.50. The ceviche, the first one I got was $3.65, and they charge you a little more to get it to go for the containers. And then this one was $3.50. So all of this was it was under $20, and man, I'm not gonna be able to eat it all myself. So I'm gonna call the family in here to help me eat this stuff. And I hope you guys like the show. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, have a good day.